Okay guys, welcome and let's explore this boost real user probability and secure season 2 XP airdrop on Soso Value. And as far as I know, the airdrop is will take on May and the snapshot is on April. Then let's go to this keep going. So guys, if you want to reach this 100% and boost your probability and secure season 2 airdrop, you need at least like 40 USDC. Okay. Why? Because the first task is deposit 15 USDC and the 60% is buy um, buy 15 pieces mag 7 SSI, and then the 100% is buy 75 mag 7 SSI. So let's go to their website. Okay. So if you calculate how much is the 75 pieces mag SSI, it will be around 37.1995 USDC. So 40 USDC is enough guys. And after you have the 75 pieces mag SSI, you need to deposit it to their vault, the Sodex liquidity provider. So after you deposit it on vault, so while you chain and you select max if you have 75 pieces already. Then after you deposit, you need to verify here again on sosovalue.com XP page. Then after this website is already verified your deposit, go back again to Sodix Vault and withdraw your mag7.ssi, and the redemption period is 2 weeks. So mine, I already withdraw yesterday, and it will be claimable on February 19. So yes, that's guys. If you want to reach to 100%, yes, you need at least like 40 USDC. So yeah, that's it.